Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to another video of JavaScript complete course. So in this video we're going to talk about functions in JavaScript. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So a JavaScript function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. A JavaScript function is executed when something invokes, calls it. So as you can see on the screen, this is the syntax of a JavaScript function. A JavaScript function is defined with the function name, as you can see, with keyword function allowed with his name. You can add the name whatever you prefer. So I have typed the name my function and followed by parentheses. As you can see, there are parentheses right here. And also function names can be contain letters, digits, underscores, and $sign. So the functions have same rules as variables, and parentheses may include parameters, as you can see, x and y. You can put whatever name you prefer, but I'm going to type x and y. You can separate these by commas right here. So the code to be executed by function is placed inside this opening and closing curly brackets. So the code inside the function will execute when something invokes the function. This one can be when the user click on a button, or can be called the JavaScript function code, or can be self-invoked. And as you can see right here, the return statement which will stop the executing of a function. If the function was invoked from a statement, JavaScript will return to execute the code after the invoking the statement. The function often compute the return value. The return value is returned back to the caller. And now let me type here, and here I'm going to let's return. First we're going to create a variable. Let me name it a is equal to my. So I'm going to type the name of my function because I want to put or store a value inside this x and y, and then we are going to multiply them and return the result. So I'm going to put 4, and here I'm going to separate this with a comma by 4. So 4 and 4. Now let's put console.log. So the console.log here I'm going to type console.log, and here I'm going to call the a because here I have stored the data which is inside the function. So I'm going to call a. Let's save this. Let's refresh and let's right click, come to inspect, come to console, and here you can see 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Here you can see this is the result. Now the uses of a function is that once you have created, you can use it multiple times, as many times as you prefer. You don't need to write or type more codes or more lines of codes. You just use the function wherever and however you prefer. And also the function can be used the same way as you use the variables in all types of formulas, assignments, and calculation. And now let me create another function here. So function your function, and this time I'm not going to pass any parameters here, and inside this opening and closing curly brackets I'm going to create the variable let car name is equal to hassle. Now here you can see this type of variable is called local variable. These variables are not going to be accessible outside this opening and closing curly brackets. And since local variables are only recognized inside your function, variables with the same name can be used in different functions. You can use the same, like a car name, in multiple functions because it's a local, it's only accessible inside this function. Local variables are created when the function is started from this point and deleted when the function is ended or completed. So hope you understand until this point. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon.